Everybody, this is Miss Lena, and I'm getting ready to do the chicken basket on the stick. So I'm going to read first my scripture, and I'm taking it from Solomon 1 verse, the first verse in the first chapter and the first verse. Let him kiss me with the kisses of his mouth, for your love is more delightful than wine. Please is the fragrance of your perfume. Your name is like perfume poured out. No wonder the maiden loves you. Take me away with you. Let us hurry. Let the king bring me into the chamber. Thank you. So I'm getting ready now to make the chicken in the basket on the stick. So and what I'm using, I've already did some of them on here, but I'm going to show you how I'm going to do the rest of them, okay?
So she have chicken, potatoes, pickles, peppers, chicken, pickles, peppers, and then top with a potato. So this is your chicken, your fries, your pickles and your peppers, what they put in the chicken basket when you buy one. All it on here except for the grilled, the buttered toast.
Okay. All right, so, let me show you how to fix the one first before I put it into the batter. Okay. Okay.
Yeah, hopefully we get these up today because today's the Super Bowl. If not, you can always do them for other things.
Okay. All right. I'm putting the chicken on first, and then I'll be putting the potato on next. Okay, they go through there. Okay, and then I put another potato on. Okay. Pickle and a pepper. Okay. Okay. Let's see. This is another piece of chicken after you get the onion and the pickles on there, okay? So now I'm ready to put on, let me see, I got the chicken and the pickles. 2 pickles and a pepper. Okay. And then a potato. Okay. Now, I'm doing the last one. So, the chicken first. Potato next. Okay. The onion next. And then the pickles next. And the peppers. Pickles, peppers, okay, and the chicken. The chicken goes, there's another piece of chicken goes next. Okay. All right, now the potato.
You have an extra piece of chicken, so go and use that one.
Okay, I'm just going to go and put both pieces of chicken on. Okay. And now the potato. The pickles. And the peppers. And now the potato.
So y'all, you got the chicken basket on the stick. All you don't have is your toasted bun.
Okay. All right, now give me the flour so I can put it in the batter. It goes just an egg batter only. And then after I put it in egg batter, I'll roll it over in the egg batter.
Yeah, season your chicken however you want it to season. We season it.
Oh, I'm just gonna let here I put it in. Okay.
We season it how we usually season everything with these seasoning.
Okay. All right. So now I'm going to be putting it into the flour batter. Try to get some of the egg off before I put it in. Okay. And I've already seasoned the flour batter also.
You use whatever seasoning y'all like. Because I know people are different from us.
Okay. This is very delicious. Very, very delicious.
Our family love it, y'all.
Okay. All right, now. Okay, so now I'm fixing to head to the deep fryer. Okay. I'm trying to get 5 in here if we can.
Y'all try these. These are so good. We'll be back.
All right then. Hello everybody. This is the finishing touches of my chicken basket on the stick. So this is the way it looks. Very delicious and very good. I want you all to see it. It is so good.
Yeah, it's so good.
We had them last week, but we didn't have enough of them. So today it's only us. So therefore we don't have to have a lot of them. But they are very, very delicious. So I'm not going to taste it for you because this is part of our Super Bowl Sunday. So they are good though. I will tell you, baby, if I tell you they're off the chain, they are moving them. They are moving the chain around the town. Okay. So I thank you all so much. It just wasn't enough for the family last week to have. Okay. These are very delicious. So that's all I have to say. But we didn't make enough last week. So I thank you.
Y'all, they're so good. They're so good. I hope y'all try these.
If you try them one time, you're going to try them for every occasion that you have, even just for your family when you don't want to do too much. It's very filling also. So if you got this and maybe a cold drink, that's about all you're going to need. A cup of coffee or whatever you drink. And you got a whole basket on the stick. And 2 of them will really fill you up. Yes. So thank you. Have a blessed day. God bless. Thank you so much for viewing. From love from Miss Lena. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everybody.